Guys, trade recap today. We just made 615% profit on the crypto market. Let me show you the video I sent to the private list about FTX token. Pay attention to the buyer power. New members, this coin is gonna pump soon. My software just alert me I have a buyer power of 99% and volume of $31 million. I shared this trade at the private list 2 days ago. Today is March 18, right now it's 9 a.m. Take a look at this, how much volume spike I have right here. The buyer now is control the market. This coin is gonna pump from $1.15 up to $1.65. That's how you make money. We make money because we trade in group. Trade with us. Together, we are strong. Trade crypto time at gmail.com. I share all my trades in the private list. The secret sauce is to control the buyer power. Take a look at this. It's gonna pump soon. Look. We are live, guys. Look at that. Look at the price. 120, 120, 122, 122. Let's go. 118. 128. Buyer power. Here we go. 99%. That's how you make money. You buy low and sell high before the pump. Trade with us. Trade. So guys, that's how you make money, because we buy low before the pump and sell up high. In order to find those pumps, my software is calculate volume spike plus buyer power. We only jump in trades with buyer power above 70%. That's how you are successful. The coins I share in the private list was FTX token, Joy, Genshiro, Camelot, Mask Network, and Lympo. Guys, take a look at this, how much the price spike. 100%, 72%, 153%, 120%. We focus in volume, guys. $81 million in volume, $123 million in volume. Take a look at this volume of Mask Network, $575 million. Guys, if I made $61,000, you can make the same profits I do. All you gotta do is to follow my trades. TradeCryptoTime at gmail.com. Feel free to reach me out. First trade recap, Joe, guys. Take a look at this. Price go flat, volume spike, buyer power, price pump. Share this trade in the private list on March 16. We bought this coin for 20 cents and put a sell order right here, 40 cents. I made 8,500, 85%. Camelot token, guys. Take a look at this huge pump. I shared this trade in the private list on March 16. We bought this coin for 0.002 and put a sell order up here. The daily resistance 0.004. All my trades I share in the private list, guys. 615% profit. Guys, keep yourself updated about Bitcoin. I just put on my Twitter, Bitcoin is 100% probability to go down to 20K. TradeCryptoTime at gmail.com. Follow me and let's trade together, because together we are strong. Also, we can provide you a swing trade.